Yeah, Marcus Booty Coding Live. Yeah, are you excited? New footwork every day. Remember, you see, we do. No excuses. Are you ready? Today, heel complicado 4. Let's go. See for yourself first. Let's go. Again. Yeah, this is the move. This is the groove. Are you ready? Let's do it together. No excuses. I'll switch the camera. Let's go on the snow. Yeah. No excuses. Are you ready? Let's go. We can start with the left or with the right. Doesn't matter. Let's start with the left. We do a heel. We do a heel. Step. Step. Now. Step. Touch. Step. Touch. Now with the right. Again with the right. Heel. Heel. Step. Step. Now with the left. Step. Touch. Step. Touch. With the left. Let's go. Left. Right. Left. Right. Right. Left. Left. Right. Yeah. Now with the right. Let's go. Heel. Heel. Step. 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 Touch. Step. Touch. With the left. Heel. Heel. Step. 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 Touch. Step. Touch. Once again. Now with the count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. One more time. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And last time. Let's go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Yeah, this is the move. Yes, this is the move. This is the groove. Yeah. Wait, you sit here. Amazing. Let's do another practice. Right now, face to face. I want to see it. So you can imagine yourself staring in a mirror. Yeah, staring in a mirror. Let's go. Are you ready? Let's go with the left. Again, starting with the left. Let's go. Let's go. Heel, heel, step, 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 touch, step, touch. Yeah, now with the left, with the right. Heel, heel, step, 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 touch, step, touch. Yeah, let's go again. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. One more time. Let's go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Let's give some tips. When we do the heels, we can open with the hands. Let's try it. Let's go. Open with the hands like that. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Open. 5, 6, 7, 8. And once we do, we'll do the step touch, which is step 2. We can do the shoulders. Let's try it together. Let's go. 1, 2, 3, 4. Shoulders. 1, 2, 3, 4. Shoulders. One more time. 1, 2, 3, 4. Shoulders. 1, 2, 3, 4. Shoulders. Yeah, this is the move. This is the groove. And I remind you, these are universal moves. Marcus Body Coding. We code universal moves so you can use them in any kind of dance that you want. Yes, I'm serious. hip hop, salsa, bachata, kizomba, zumba, rumba, whatever style that you want. And if you're the serious student, you can meet me in the studio for the full tutorial. For that, check the link above, to the sides below, or if you are on Instagram, check the link in my bio to the YouTube channel and search for this move, Heel Complicado 4. Yeah, Heel Complicado 4. That's the name of the move, if you're the serious student. But what do you care? You have this video as well, so you can hit the hip replay button. Yeah, and practice with me again and again. When? Today. Why today? Ching. Why today? Because tomorrow you have a new footwork every day. Marcus bodycoding live. So let's see you tomorrow, or see you tomorrow. I think we'll meet tomorrow for new footwork.